If you feel a broken relationship cannot be healed after years, I want you to think again and I want you to look at this client's testimonial. Now, when this client actually came to me, it was 8 months into her breakup and she was massively attached to her ex. And during our session, I identified something really important. Her emotional pattern was due to her father's behavior with her between the ages of 1 to 9 that made her a magnet in relationship to people who would abandon her. And because of that, she had an anxious attachment style. And I was able to understand when she was talking about her past relationship with her ex that she was subconsciously nurturing her partner to abandon her. Her partner was not exactly the person who would abandon her, but her behavior within that relationship made him resist her. And because of that, the breakup happened and she was into a massive emotional burden. And once she enrolled into my program, her entire focus at that point was I don't want to manifest my ex back. All I want is to heal from this emotional trauma that I am going through. And as an instant healing hypnotherapist, I was able to get inside her subconscious mind and remove her father wound. And in less than 4 to 5 minutes, she was free from her emotional attachment with her ex. Now, the most important part I want you guys to understand is the lesson that you guys can learn from her experience is she was no longer emotionally craving for her partner. If you observe, we all attract what we feel inside. If inside what we are feeling is desperation, our subconscious mind becomes familiar with that kind of desperation. That means even if we are presented with a healthy relationship, our subconscious mind will try to ruin that relationship so that we can get back inside the neurological state of desperation, because that is what your subconscious mind is familiar with. So that is what it will consistently try to attract into your reality. Now, what I want to emphasize to you guys over here is she wasn't even trying to manifest her ex back. So why did it happen? The reason is when she was in relationship with that particular person, her subconscious mind was influencing his subconscious mind. Her behavior traits were conditioning her partner to abandon her. So that means the value proposition that she brought in that relationship was not good enough for her partner. And his subconscious mind was able to pick up on the value proposition that she was bringing to the relationship. And I want you guys to understand this, that everyone's subconscious mind is able to sense the value proposition that they get in any kind of relationship. So since the value proposition that she brought into the relationship was not good enough, it was due to her father abandoning her during her childhood that she had a very flawed attachment style. And because of that, the relationship got ruined. But the most important part over here is when I help her heal her father wound, the method that I use is I take you to a part of your subconscious mind where your subconscious mind often reveals the lesson that you need to start practicing. And once you acknowledge those lessons, the emotional attachment just goes away. But the most magnificent part is the real magic begins once you start following those lessons. Now, why these lessons are really important for you is because your subconscious mind has been observing your life from the background. It knows each and every dynamic of your life. It is able to understand each and every behavior that you have. And not only that, it is the best mentor you can think of. The reason why a lot of us have bad relationship pattern is because there is no alignment between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind has certain opinions about how you should be living your life. And those opinions are only because your subconscious mind knows best how it can attract healthy relationships into your reality. But since you consciously cannot acknowledge those lessons, you will go through a lot of pain in your relationships. So once she started practicing those lessons, 3 months into practicing those lessons, she was no longer even trying to manifest her ex back. But this is what happens. Once you heal, your subconscious mind gets renewed. The value proposition that you bring into a relationship is way higher. Your vibration is higher. And because of that, you are subconsciously influencing even your past partners or exes. So that means her ex was subconsciously able to understand that the value proposition that she brings into the relationship is now very high. She is at a higher vibration. So now he's sending those apology essays, even though she doesn't want to be with him. Now observe her journey. She went from having an anxious attachment style and fear of abandonment to no longer even wanting to be with this partner because she is so in control of her reality and her ex is trying to get back with her. This is not my way of saying to you guys that you should manifest your ex back, but I want you guys to understand the importance of following the lessons that your subconscious mind gives you. And I have seen this time and time again with a lot of different clients. Healing is no big deal. I can make you heal in less than 2 to 3 minutes. But the most important part comes later. That is, once your subconscious mind gives you the lesson, you need to follow those lessons. Those lessons are your subconscious mind's instruction manual for your conscious mind, so that if you practice that, your subconscious mind will have a lot of room to manifest whatever you truly desire or attract whatever you truly desire. This is where a lot of the people actually fail. They go into healing, they heal, but they are unable to follow the lessons. And if you do not follow the lesson, the subconscious mind goes like, hey, I just told you certain lessons and I gave you certain instruction manuals, then you are not able to follow that. So guess what? I'm going back into my original setting, which is fear of abandonment or anxious attachment style or whatever your emotional attachment style is. So the most important part I want you guys to understand and take away from this video and her journey is you need to start following the lessons after healing. If you do not follow the lessons, you will not see long-term sustainable results. The only way I have been able to give so many people good quality result is I emphasize a lot on the lessons that their subconscious mind gives them. And once they start following the lessons, true magic actually begins then. Now, if you would be interested to experience that kind of shift in your life, you can consider enrolling into my 15 days instant healing program. But just a quick reminder, I do not allow everyone to enroll into my program because my program comes with a money back guarantee. That means you either get the results or you get your money back. The reason why I don't allow everyone is because I need to assess if your subconscious mind is ready, if I can promise you the result, if your subconscious mind truly wants to heal and recover from your childhood attachment style, only then will I allow you to enroll into my program. Usually, a lot of the people think that my 15 days instant healing program is a get your ex back scheme. This is not true. I do not promote attracting back your ex. I only promote to heal your subconscious mind for yourself. Whether you get your ex back or not doesn't matter. The process will still remain the same. You need to heal yourself. And if you are still wondering, would you be a good fit for my program? You can sign up for a free mini therapy session with me. Now, in this session, I will assess your subconscious mind map and I will consider your application. And if I feel like I can promise you the results, I will allow you to enroll into my program. However, if I feel I might not be a good fit for you, I might refuse your application. So I hope this video gives you guys a lot of inspiration and understanding about how healing works and how you can be the next success story and you can live a happy, healthy life. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep healing. Bye bye.